Okay, should I pay off my mortgage? Here's a decision tree or a workflow that can help answer that question. So the first question you actually want to ask yourself is, do you hate debt? Because if you do, if debt stresses you out, now we're not talking about credit card debt, we're talking about your mortgage. The answer should be pretty obvious. Yes, pay it off faster. If you hate debt, pay it off faster. The answer is no, then you have to ask yourself this: will you earn more investing? Now, what you invest in, that's a whole different topic, but if you know what you're going to invest in and you can earn more than it's worth paying down the debt, more interest here than interest paid, if the answer is yes, you should invest it. Don't pay it down, invest it, but only if you don't hate mortgage debt. If the answer is no, you will not earn more investing, then the answer is to stick to your regular payments. So again, here's the entire decision tree workflow for should I pay off my mortgage. Do you hate debt? If you do, yes, pay it off faster. If not, will you earn more investing? If you will, invest it. If not, just stick to your regular payments, and the rest of the money is a different topic. I hope that helps. Hit subscribe. We'll talk to you later.